Hello, welcome back again to our Python 30 days coding challenge. And today is the final day. That means day 30 of Python 30 days coding challenge. So if you're following along, so glad you're able to make it to day 30. Wonderful to have you here. I'm Andrew and I'm teaching Python and backend development on this channel. So without further ado, let's dive into the 30 challenge. So today we're working with removing stop words from a sentence. So what do we mean by this now? So we have to write a program now that removes a list of stop words from a given sentence and print out a clean sentence in that word. So we are going to have like a variable, like a list of stop words right there to have a sentence that is stored already. So now I want to like go through this sentence and remove this stop word from this sentence and return the sentence again, but without the stop words. So just pause the program and try to give this a try and let's see if you're able to do it. Alright, so I'm assuming you've paused the program, you've paused the video, and you've tried trying this out. Hope it works well. Alright, now I can just dive into the solution at my hand right here. So what are we going to do first? So the first thing we need to do now is first we want to define our variables now. So I'll just go ahead and say sentence right here. So I'll say, alright, I love to learn Python every single day. Alright, so then once we have our list, our stop words right there. So right there, I'm just going to say 2. Then I'm going to say every. Alright, so now we have these 2 stop words, which you can easily add more to it and do work with that later on. So now what do we want to do now? So we want to have a loop. That's the first thing we want to do here now. We want to have a loop. And when we have this loop now, we want to make sure that we loop through this sentence, we check if any of these sentences in stop words, and we modify it. So first of all, I want to say for word in sentence. So if I say for word in sentence, I can just easily say print word. So let's just go ahead and print this and see how it works. Right now, you can see this is not working quite alright because I'm saying for words in sentence and it's giving me every character. So what I need to do before that is to have another variable called words. And now I'm going to say, let me just come this like this. Alright. So I'm going to say sentence.split. So what I'm doing now is splitting each and every one of these sentences now into words. So it's going to return words as a list right here. So if I should just go ahead and print out words here, I will get it out as a list. So now I'm not checking for word in words right here. So if I should go ahead and run this program again now, we will see that now we are getting every word. We get it as a string separated by the space character, and we can modify that, but that is not needed for this program. So now we have that ready. So now we'll be able to loop through this word successfully now. So the next thing we need to do now is we want to check if this word. So first of all, I want to convert it to lower. So I'll just go ahead and check if this word dot lower. Now, if this word dot lower now. Alright. Okay. So let me just loop through this. My stop words too. For W in stop words. Alright. So after I loop through this word, I have a word. Now I'm looping through my W in stop words too now. Alright. So what I want to check now is. Alright. Okay. Let me just go this way. So if my word dot lower is not in stop words. So if my word dot lower is not in stop words, what do I want to do? So I want to have another variable here, but it will be a list, and I'll just call it clean list. And right here, an empty list, right? So if this W is not in stop words, I want to just go ahead and say, alright, what I'll just go ahead and do here is add this word to the clean list. So I'll just go ahead and say clean list dot append word itself. Alright, so that's clean dot append word itself. So I can go ahead and just say, let me print out clean list. So if I should go ahead and print out clean list now, let me just make this, okay, clean list. Alright, so we can run this program again now and see what we're having right here. So now I love learn Python single. So we can see we don't have two, I don't have every right there. So we are getting our clean list now. Quite alright. So what I can just go ahead and do again now is to say I have my final variable called cleaned sentence. So I'm just going to use this here. I'm just going to say dot join. And now I want to join this cleaned list here as a sentence right there. So I can just go ahead and say as my final output, print out cleaned sentence. So if I should go ahead again, I'll run this program now. Alright, so I just make this space. So go ahead and run this program again. I love learn Python every single day, which is exactly what we have here. So if I should add learn here, we see that we will not be expecting learn again in the final output. So I love Python single day. Alright, so that's how you work with stopwords in Python. We come to an end of this 30 days Python coding challenge. I'm glad you liked it. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you've watched my video for the past 30 days and you've been liking it, you love what you're seeing, put your comment in the comment section. How was this 30 days? Do you want something like this? Do you want something similar to this but on a different domain or in another perspective? Or do you, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just let me know your mind. Speak your mind in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.